Today the sun is out and we're going to Glendurgan Gardens. So it turns out you don't need a mask because you're outside, I guess. I do. I think it's really good at the moment that the National Trust are opening their sort of local gardens just to allow locals to still get a bit of exercise and have some fantastic scenery. Now looking at this view just down here, it really makes me think, oh, that would make such a good drone shot. But as this is National Trust, you're not allowed to fly your drones here, which brings me on to today's topic. I don't know whether any of you actually saw my recent beach review video at Glendurgan. I posted it. There was a lot of drone footage there which I made sort of about a year ago, and I knew that it was a National Trust area. However, I wasn't clear that you couldn't fly drones on the beach there. So I posted the video, which I've now actually taken down. I posted the video and then actually emailed the National Trust and just explained to them that obviously I'd made this beach review video and that it was for, you know, they could use it for advertising purposes if they wanted to. And they got back to me and just said, you know, can you take the video down, because if anyone else sees it they'll think that it's okay to fly drones, which I understand that, I get it. If somebody asks you to do something, you don't argue, you don't kick up a fuss and say, well, I'm not taking it down. You just do it because worst case scenario, give it a few months or whatever, they might stumble across that video and come back and say, well, actually we gave you no authorization to fly your drone there. Now on the other hand, I didn't actually get their permission to film anything here today, so if they see this they might say that they didn't give me permission, but that's just the way it is, I guess. And to be fair, they had a very good valid reason why they don't want you flying drones over their land, because it's a breeding ground for animals and everything, which, you know, I 100% respect. And at the beaches as well, they have seals, which they obviously care about, and they don't want drones flying over and people crashing them and things. So I completely get it. This is normally where the maze, well, the maze is still there, but it's not open because of COVID. That's why this is here. But in a normal world, I love a maze. So maybe in the summer. Now, I have taken down the Crantock beach review video and I am going to make another one, but I need to get back there and get some nice Steadicam shots of the beach, which we can't do at the moment because we're not really allowed to travel anywhere. So it will come. I've still got the footage of me explaining what you can do at the beach, so I'll just put another one together with some more B-roll. If anyone's wondering what these big sort of lumpy plants that look dead are, in the summer these turn into like these big, they have like huge leaves. I don't know what they're called because I'm not a gardener, but they look fantastic. But obviously in the winter months they kind of just shrivel away, but they will be back. So wasn't I just saying like 2 minutes ago how nice and sunny it was? It's literally just started chucking it down straight out, just completely out of nowhere. Found a bit of shelter under this tree, but it's only going to be a passing shower because I can see blue skies up there, and blue skies there as well, so it's not going to hang around. It's just come out of nowhere. This camera's not waterproof. Worst case scenario, if this rain doesn't stop, I do have a GoPro on me, but I don't really want to have to get the GoPro out and record because it's just too wide. Another one of the great things about Glendurgan is there's a beach down here. And this is the beach down at the bottom of Glendurgan. Now the thing is, I could probably fly my drone around here because I'm not sure if this actual part is part of the National Trust, but I'm not going to, I'm not going to do it out of respect, just because there's a lot of people down here and they probably want some peace and quiet and don't want a drone flying around. So you just have to put up with ground level shots of this beach. Leave it there. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to never miss an episode. Hit that like button because it helps. And also, I know I'm a bit inconsistent with when I upload videos. Sometimes it's on a Sunday, sometimes it's on a Saturday, sometimes it's on a Monday. So if you hit that little bell that's down there, you'll get notified every single time I upload. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you very much for making it to the end if you've made it this far. I've got an Instagram page at LoveSundays84. If you're following me, just say I follow you on Instagram in the comments. Cheers!